Hey folks, welcome back to O'Brien Venture Outdoors. I'm standing here in front of the praying hands here at Oral Roberts University in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Educating the whole man. And Jesus increased in wisdom and stature and in the favor with God and man. Luke 2:52. We're going to be right over there tomorrow across the road at Victory Church Life Search. Look how awesome and pretty this is. Stay tuned, folks. Got the RV over here. We brought the RV. We're gonna stay in the RV and do a little urban camping here in the parking lot tonight. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors. It's kind of windy and cool tonight. Got all the flags over here on this side. Across the road here at Victory Church. Okay, it's Friday, 7:15, and there's the hands over there where we was last night, and here's the Victory Church. People already starting to get in line and show up here in their cars. Yeah. Morning. So yeah, here's some thumping over there. We'll see if this parking lot fills up though. It's a little cool this morning though. Morning in Tulsa. Sun's getting ready to start coming up right there. Okay, welcome back. We're headed in. It's 8:23 Friday. And yeah, as you can see, this empty parking lot got really full in the last, let's say, hour or so, hour and a half. Around 7:30 they started coming in. Stay tuned, folks. Okay, we got to the building here. We're here at check-in.
Checking in 2 people, correct? Yeah. All right, I got them both right here.
Getting our,
you guys are gonna get
our stuff. Stay tuned.
You guys are going to go in.
Thanks. Okay, everybody's got their stuff here. Stay tuned. Okay, we're here now in the main lobby somewhere. Oh, here we go. Right here it is. Wow. This is a pretty big place, folks. For sure. Yeah. Look at all this. Cool. I guess we're gonna go try to find our seats. Stay tuned. Okay, we're up here now on the second tier. They got all these barricaded off. That cool soundboard, folks. Technology. David, yeah. Okay, we found our seats here. We're sitting here in front of, this is Ada seating behind us. Okay, that's how you say it's Ada.
Everybody's got a hashtag. Ours is Life Search. You put that hashtag on there. We'd love to see what God's doing, what you're posting throughout the day. Maybe we get the opportunity to share it. And if you're like, Chris, I don't know where to find Life Search on social media, I'm so glad you asked. Guess what we have? Another QR code. Grab that QR code, scan that QR code, and we're going to get you set up. You'll get to find all the social media handles so you can follow it. And awesome. Hey, thank Victory for hosting us here today. And before we dive into our next segment here, I want you to watch this really awesome video about what God's doing right here at Victory. Let's check this out.
There's some Bethel music.